Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by choosing which fonts to use and preparing them for the web. Pick WAF2 for best compression, keep WAF and TTF as fallbacks. Once chosen, verify the license so you avoid legal surprises. Paid fonts often require specific hosting. If you self-host, optimize file sizes and create subsets. If you use a CDN like Google Fonts, note privacy and performance trade-offs. Make sure to retain consistent naming and a font display strategy before integrating into your style sheet. You now implement fonts in your CSS using @FontFace declarations, specify local and URL SRC entries, and include font weight and font style so the browser selects the right file. Use font display. Swap to show fallback text immediately and swap in the custom font to prevent invisible text. Once done, assign fonts to CSS variables like font sans and apply to body and headings. Make sure to include a sensible fallback stack to maintain layout if font loading fails or is blocked. Finish by optimizing and validating the font integration so your site is fast and legible. Preload the most important font files to prioritize rendering, and subset fonts to strip unused glyphs, which reduces payload. Once implemented, test with Lighthouse and in multiple browsers to catch weight mismatches or missing ligatures. Adjust line height and letter spacing for rhythm. If text flashes or doesn't appear, fall back to font display changes or remove problematic weights. This single troubleshooting step often resolves common issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.